because when I Google your name, your IMDb says that you're a part of such great films and such great web series, to be precise. And it's really commendable, the kind of actors you have given to the film industry, to the web industry. So tell me about your journey. How did it start and how is it so far?
So it started in 2008 and 9. So basically, I've done my post graduation in mass communication journalism, and I'm basically BSc in botany. I'm basically botanist, and after that, I finished my post graduation mass communication journalism, and from then I went to a film school. I did a 1 year film school, and then I left in between, and then I joined YRF, and I started working as a casting assistant. And from then, and I worked there for 2 years, and after that, I turned independent casting director. And yeah, from then till now, I'm just been working. In between, for some time, I also have produced one Marathi feature film, and which I will tell you very soon. We're going to talk about it as soon as the release comes nearby. So I produced one Marathi feature film, and yeah, so that's what the casting journey is all about.
So what do you enjoy more, producing or casting?
I think casting. There was a time in my life when I used to think of casting बहुत हो चुका, because I used to do back-to-back films, and like I started with Ram Leela, Chakravyuh, and so many films I did, and I did so many films. You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I did so many films, and then one particular time I just thought कि बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा यार. I just, like everybody has a dream, they want to tell stories and this and that. And then that time, during that phase, I also produced this Marathi feature film. It was a lovely experience, but then suddenly I realized I never chose to be a casting director. I just became a casting director, So, and in that journey of self-discovering, I suddenly realized that I have immense respect for actors, and I can understand them really well. I can understand the craft also well, because I also have done theater in my college days. So I understand what the problems they go through, and where exactly they come from, what kind of mindset they have, and that really helps me as a casting director, as a human being also, to evolve from places to places. And that's how I rediscovered my love for casting, and that's how this whole new Parag Mehta casting started.
जी. अच्छा, जब आप किसी के एम्प्लॉय होते हैं उसमें अलग टेंशन्स होती हैं. वंस यू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर योर ओन सेल्फ, यू हैव योर ओन स्टार्टअप. तो क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं एक स्टार्टअप करने में, और स्पेशली इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे इट्स मोस्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर नेटवर्क?
I think there are a lot of problems keeps coming, and I think more than that, now, if you're good with your work now, Karan, people do remember you no matter what, and they do call you. So I feel it's more than networking. Like obviously, networking plays a very bigger part in the whole process. I don't deny that. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if you are good with your work now, so people do get you. People do call you they give you opportunity to work with them, and that's what I have been seeing so far. Like I got independent in 2009 from. I used to work with Shanu Sharma, the casting director. She's my family. And after that, from 2009-10 onwards, I've started on my own. I've started on my own. So initial phase में बहुत difficult था, पर then it became just because you are good with, and because I've always been a very passionate guy about work and about films and just being part of the film industry. So I've always been very, 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 very much passionate. So yeah, so that's what it is all about. Karan, that's so difficult. You are so.
Let's talk about challenge. ज्यादा मुश्किल किन 3 कैरेक्टर्स के लिए हुई आपको, जिसमें आपने बहुत ऑडिशंस किए और आपको बाद में जाके कोई मिला?
I think for Maricom, we really worked very hard to get, because there was a combination when we need to get people who looks like who are North Indian, Northeastern people, and they should be from Manipur, from where the Maricom belongs. And वहाँ पे उस समय मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी आई थी, क्योंकि if you know कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा के कोच थे एक, if I don't know if you know, so he's been a very famous actor in Nepal film industry, and he has done some films in Hindi also, but 1970s और उस समय करी थी उन्होंने, and that was one job was very difficult to find. Then there was one more person, Mr. Robin Das, who was Priyanka Chopra's father. He was absolutely fresh, new, and you also know Umang sir. You know how difficult he is when he wants to cast somebody. He's very particular about his actor. Like, doesn't matter whether it's a big actor, like big characters, bigger part, or a smaller part, or one liner. He's very particular. So that was one film. Then Lipstick Under My Burqa was very difficult to cast, because to cast for Anna's role, Plabita's role, it was really difficult. We really went mad to cast for that film.
So, what are the tips, Parag bhai, that you have to give to new actors? Like, we'll come to the working ones later, but जो बिल्कुल freshers हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या टिप देना चाहेंगे, जो बॉम्बे में हैं या बॉम्बे से बाहर हैं?
So I just want to tell you guys कि जो भी actors है, please you guys work on yourself, work on your craft. There are three things that are very important for an actor: their eyes, the way they speak, and the way they have understanding of the craft. And you guys really need to work on this thing. And because क्या है ना, camera सब पकड़ लेता है. As soon as you come on in front of the camera, if you're lying, if you're not genuine, you will come to know. Like Karan, right now, me and you are talking, and if we are not genuine about what we are talking about, so immediately you will come to know. You just go back and you realize is that, they are not genuine people, and that's the main crux of the whole actor's problem. You just need to be genuine. You just need to be yourself, so that you can come up with something new. So they're actors about their speech, their eyes, and their craft. Just combine them together and just make it a solid thing. It will really help.
Wonderful. So that's the key takeaway. That I think that's a learning experience for a lot of people who are watching this now. Also, Parag bhai, I want to know, when you see an audition, what are the things that you notice, and when an actor is given a particular brief from a casting director, क्या क्या चीजें हैं उसको उस ऑडिशन में जो उसको खास करके ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए?
We always look for an actor, like सबसे पहली बात, whether he remembers the lines or not. The basic thing. And I have seen a lot of actors, they struggle with the lines. So क्या होता है ना, when you're struggling with the lines ना, so then बाकी सारी चीजें कुछ बन ही नहीं पाएगी. It doesn't matter whether audition room is small, big, somebody is giving your cue rightly or not. If you don't know your lines, so the whole thing just fails. So number one thing is that please just remember your lines so well, so that you know it. Like, before you coming in front of the audition, like audition process, you entering into a casting room, you just make sure that you know your lines by heart, so it becomes easier. And the next thing, how genuine they are.